Alright, so today we're going to be working on a new project for our client and designing this kitchen, basically another open concept idea. It's a place in Toronto downtown, so space is an issue and lots of walls and a complicated construction. So the clients are putting in beams and working with the contractor to reinforce the second floor, but this is basically an old kitchen that we're working with, the old space. So the wall has been removed and the beam has been put in, and now they're just looking for new ideas and new concept, and adding also a closet because they converted their closet into a small powder room. So we're gonna work on that. Let's get going. So we'll be working with 2020 design. Now adding a window into here. See the kitchen designs. When we work on the kitchen layouts, it's important to get other opinions as well from our team. And here we are reviewing the design and layout of the kitchen with my dad, and we're just making sure that this is going to be the best functional layout. Maybe he has other comments and recommendations. And as you see, we prepared a couple of different options how this layout could work, because there's potentially, they're thinking to add a wall or remove a powder room, or the layout will change and how it will look in different scenarios. So when we get to the kitchen design, we take it very seriously to look at different options and ideas and just make sure that we come up with the best layout that works for your family, because the kitchen is the most important space, and having it functional and beautiful and nice is our top priority, to make sure that you're enjoying it for many years with your whole family. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.